Imagine your container. When it comes to shipping container conversions, I have learned how to do them from start to finish. Meaning you can drop off a box and when it's done, I can have it exactly how you want it engineered. It all depends on your budget, what area you're living in, because certain areas will restrict you. But if you're living on the outskirts, normally you are able to do the things you need to do. Now, depending on what city you're in, they do let you go up. There's so many things you can do with these. You can put two together, you can separate them, stack them, you name it. But to me, in my personal opinion, this is a very affordable way to own your living. You can own a private location for yourself, a studio, whatever you need. If it's for business to make money, I would recommend, if you're not making money first, create you something to make money, so that way you're not working for your money, and then you can use the money that you just used to create your money, so that way you can enjoy life. That's what it's about, fam. And that's one thing that shipping container conversions allows you to do. It allows you to save money. It allows you to have ownership, and allows you to have freedom, fam. Freedom. You know, we can get someone to come pick this up. We can take the handrails down, the staircase down, and we can take this to another facility, set it right back up, and it'll be right back up ready within an hour. Ready to go. Staircase back on, handrails back on, ready to serve all over again. And that's what it's all about. It's all about being accessible for people, being able to allow people to think outside the box, because sometimes you have to literally do it for them, and then they can say, ooh, is that what you can do with a box? And that's what I did, fam. I'm thinking outside the box. And for those who are looking to do things like this, contact me. I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas. My phone number is 501-400-5806. That's 501-400-5806. Right now, I am inside of Birmingham, Alabama, and surrounding area. So while I'm here, if you need this type of construction done, if you need a consultation done, a consultation is $150. I charge $150 to talk to you about your plans, because these are your plans, and if they're important to you, $150 is nothing to keep you from wasting money. I'm gonna show you how to save money and save time with a solid product. I'm not gonna waste your time. If you're looking for some blueprints, I can get you some blueprints that is engineered blueprints. They start around 5 to 1,000, and it depends on, and up, depends on how complex you want your development. You know, so it all depends on the individual, but the blueprints start off at about $500, and I can get, like I say, engineered approved. So it all depends on where you at, what you need done, but we can build it to your specs, fam. We can put a team on it. We can have you done. This project actually took about, from start to finish, about 2 weeks, and we was done, like done. And then now the inside got to be framed out, but we had to stop the project. He had a couple things going on, but he got the inside already framed. So as soon as he framed it out, we could just continue to go on. But the process is done, fam. So if you're thinking about doing something like this, I'm in the area. I literally have experience, fam. I have over 10 years experience on just building these. And I'm a structural welder, engineer, and fabricator. You know what I mean? So I know when it comes to structural steel, when it comes to lining out, when it comes to knowing the materials, cut lists, all the above, fam, I can help you with this project. So it depends on where you at. I can help you with this project. My consultation is $150. I do not sit down and talk to people for free about building their dreams and their reality. It takes money to make money, but I guarantee you the money you pay me is going to save you money and save you time, and being able to utilize off of the information that you get from me. So if you're trying to build a project, let me help you save money. A lot of time we'll dive into things, and by the time it get too deep, you're like, man, I'm too deep now, and you didn't get all this money involved. You need to talk to someone who's been specializing in something, and we can help you out. So I'm here now. I'm in Birmingham, Alabama. I'm networking with Yo Chef and Kashif Yamin, and we got things we're working right now. We got ebooks out. Y'all check out his ebook, From Prison to Plates. Check out my new ebook, From Side Hustle to CEO, from those who really trying to level up with their skills. Check it out, fam. Also check out the hashtag Skill Built Solutions. I actually got a page built online on Facebook, and I just created a YouTube channel. And the goal with Skill Built Solution is to teach people how to use what they already know, what they already got, and make a bag out of it, fam. Hold on.